cure dental caries with these tricks. Since I do this, I do not go to the dentist anymore. Caries is a very painful disease that appears from one day to another. This is the bad news. The good news is that we can control the disease ourselves very easily. It depends on you. I know it's hard to believe, but in this video we'll give you some tips so you can prevent them. Combat and eliminate such odious cavities. There are 4 main factors contributing to tooth decay. 1. Lack of minerals in your daily life. 2. Lack of vitamins. 3. High consumption of foods rich in phytic acid. 4. High consumption of sugar, whether good or bad, does not matter. However, there are natural methods that can help you fight and eliminate cavities, among which we can recommend. 1. Make your own toothpaste. You can also make at home a mineral-rich toothpaste by mixing the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons strawberry juice, 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chlorophyll, and 1/4 teaspoon of chamomile extract. 2. Improve your diet. Preventing and eliminating cavities requires a greater consumption of liposupplevitamins and minerals through meals. Green leafy vegetables and healthy fats like coconut or avocado. You can also start eating more seeds and nuts. This will give you the perfect combination to have caries-free teeth. 3. Floss every day. Dental floss, most of it rolled into the middle finger of one hand and the rest in the middle finger of the other hand. Hold the thread firmly between your thumb and forefinger. Gently floss between all of your teeth, gently moving it back and forth. You should bend the thread at the base of each tooth. When the thread is between the teeth, move it up and down carefully, so you will rub each side of the teeth. Once you have finished with one tooth, take more floss and continue with the next. 4. Completely remove sugar from the diet. If you want to avoid a trip to the dentist and still maintain a healthy denture, you must eliminate sugars from your diet. Not only processed sugar from candies, even fruit sugar is bad as well. What you have to do is eat fruit and immediately